Germany continues to be one of the most preferred study destinations for Indian and international students. Not because it's easy, but because it offers world-class education at public universities with little to no tuition fees. However, every year we see excellent students getting rejected, not due to academics, but due to incorrect course selection, documentation errors, and lack of proper guidance. At Intellect Transoceanic Private Limited, we believe in clarity, compliance, and credibility. In this video, I will explain how to secure admission in public universities of Germany step by step. Watch till the end to avoid the critical mistakes that lead to rejection. Public universities in Germany are government funded, which means no tuition fees, only semester contribution, degrees recognized worldwide, strong research and industry exposure, and excellent post-study work, settlement pathways. At Intellect Transoceanic, we guide students towards realistic, rule-based admissions, not shortcuts or false promises. Step 1. Eligibility check. The foundation. Germany follows a qualification equivalency system, not a marks-only system. For many Indian students, 12 years of schooling may not be sufficient. A relevant bachelor's year or student collect may be required. We professionally assess your eligibility using official German databases like Annabin before suggesting any pathway. Expert insight. Many rejections happen because students apply without verifying equivalency. Step 2. Course university selection. In Germany, course relevance is everything. You must ensure subject alignment with previous studies, required credits are met, and course language and intake suitability. At Intellect Transoceanic, we shortlist universities using official sources like DAAD ensuring accuracy, transparency, and compliance. Remember, Germany does not offer any course admission. It offers the right course for the right profile. Step 3. Language requirements. Language proficiency is mandatory. English. Taught programs require IELTS or TOEFL. German. Taught programs require TestDaF, DSH, or Goethe-Kohn C2. Our advice. Meeting minimum scores is not enough. Higher scores significantly improve admission chances. Step 4. Documentation. Zero tolerance zone. German universities follow a zero-error policy in documentation. Required documents include academic transcripts, semester-wise, degree certificates, language test scores, Europass CV, SOP, course-specific, and LORs for master's programs. At Intellect Transoceanic, every document is professionally reviewed, technically aligned, and university specific. One incorrect upload equals one rejection. Step 5. For Indian students applying to German institutions, APS certification is mandatory. Without it, your application won't move forward. But if you're applying to non-German institutions, good news, APS is not required. So what does APS actually do? It verifies 3 key things. Your academic authenticity, the recognition of your institution, and the legitimacy of your documents. Getting APS right the first time saves you time, stress, and delays. And that's exactly where we help guiding you through the process smoothly and accurately. Here's something every student should know. Without an APS certificate, you cannot get admission to German institutions, and you cannot apply for a German student visa. There's also an important difference in the visa process. Students with APS submit their visa applications through VFS, but students without APS, those applying to non-German institutions, must apply directly at the Embassy of the Federal Republic of Germany. To make this journey easier, we support students throughout the APS application process, ensuring everything is accurate and submitted correctly, so you avoid delays and move forward with confidence. Step 6. Application process. Applications are submitted via university portals or uni-assist. Each university has different deadlines, document formats, and evaluation criteria. Our role is to ensure error-free, timely submissions. Step 7. Intakes planning. Winter intake. May. Apply April, July, start October. Summer intake limited. Apply October, January, start April. Professional recommendation. Begin your preparation 10 to 12 months in advance for a stress-free process. Visa appointment slots in India are highly competitive right now, and securing one can be challenging. Starting early gives you the best chance to avoid delays and keep your plans on track. Common mistakes we help you avoid. At Intellect Transoceanic, we protect students from irrelevant course applications, credit mismatch rejections, generic SOPs, late APS filing, and misleading agent promises. Final message. Germany is not difficult, it is disciplined, structured, and rule-driven. With the right guidance, your German public university dream is achievable. For ethical counseling, transparent processes, and expert support, connect with Intellect Transoceanic Private Limited. Like, share, subscribe for more authentic study abroad guidance. All the best for your Germany journey.